I've been in your waters. I can for sure. I've never been so close before. It's one way or the other.
Hey Clara, can you go get the mail? Okay. What you got there, Clara?
Oh, just some mail.
What is this?
It says non-machinable.
Non-machinable? What is that supposed to mean? I disagree. We could totally machine this. You want to do it?
Okay.
All right, let's do it. How do we do it?
So we are going to tape it into the CNC machine. Then we're gonna machine it open.
So what are we looking at here?
We are looking at the packet and it says non-machinable. A giant sticker that's kind of crooked.
I love how Clara pointed out that she's like, Dad, this sticker is crooked. Somebody put it on and didn't care very much. Where are we going to do the cut? I was thinking right here.
No, right.
Because it feels like there's some object, some item. Can you feel it in the back?
What about like right here?
We could, but let's be a little more dangerous and like get closer to the part.
Nuh-uh. I don't want to make my mom mad.
Yeah, this is the thing for Mummy, isn't it? Do we know what it is? I don't know.
It's a memory card.
A memory card, you think?
Yeah, look.
Oh yeah,
Amazon
Amazon
Day.
memory card. Alright, I was thinking we'll tape it down to this hunk of aluminum that I've faced down previously.
So guys, I'm holding the camera. Guys, it's kind of shaky. Look, that giant stickers is not machinable. We disagree.
For this experiment, we're going to be using a 1/4-inch Lakeshore Carbide 5-flute end mill. The same sort of tool that just hogged through all this titanium and stainless steel. And Clara, I'm going to make you do it.
Oh.
Yeah, let's do it. Here we go. We're about ready to go.
I know how you're gonna edit all these clips together from different things.
G57. Boom. So what that's going to do is it's going to establish our Z0 so that we know exactly how high the cutting tool is above the part, this part being paper, and then that way we don't cut into the fixture and cut too deep into the part. MDI G233A9.Z0.S4. Boom. T16M6. G57 again, just for good measure. G43H16. Called the tool offset for that tool. Chill out, ready? I'm gonna make you do this. I'm gonna make you control it, and you're gonna turn on the spindle, and you're gonna jog it down, and please don't crash it.
I don't know how to do it.
I'll teach you. Let's do it. All right, Clara. I need you to type M3. John Saunders, what is the speed and feed for paper? I don't know. Let's go with 5,000. So you did M3, go S 40, and the block, EOB, and then this insert guy. Okay, once you hit cycle start, it's going to turn the spindle on at 40 RPM. So Clara, what do you think of 40 RPM?
I think 40 is good.
I don't think 40 is going to do anything. We got to try 4,000. Okay, do you remember the code?
No.
Now you can go S 4000. Yep, and then EOB. And then insert. And insert puts the code from here up to there so it's ready to run. So that's going to be, we're going from 4,000 RPM. Click cycle start again. That's a bit better. How's it coming?
Kind of good, not super good, because it's not really cutting. It's like cutting a tiny bit.
So what should we do next?
I think we should take the thing that actually cuts it and put it down a little bit more.
Just a little bit, right?
Just a tiny bit.
All right. I'm gonna go to Z, which is up and down. I'm gonna go to slow speed. See this number right here? I'm gonna move it down. You tell me until that number is 040.
Okay.
Okay, this is moving the tool downward. Okay, you do it. Gently, gently. 0.040. So keep going.
0.0.
Yeah. So right now it's 050, go to 040. Once we get to 000, we're at the top of the fixture. We don't want to get there. Doing good. Keep it going. Oh, too far. But you're okay. Yeah, exactly. Go up. That's fine. Doesn't have to be super accurate. We're going to move back to Y, please. And then I'll move back to the fast speed setting. And then you're going to do it slowly so you know what's happening, okay?
She's cutting straight through it. You've opened it! Yes!
So what's inside?
A memory card. We did not break it.
Oh wait, now we got to cut that open.
No. So we have successfully cut this thing open. As you can see, it's very cut. Cut down right through the middle.
That's what we Grimsmos think of your non-machinable. You have fun?
Yeah, that was really fun.
Good, what'd you learn?
I learned that that was fun.
Nice! Machining is fun, what a surprise!
That was a really fun experience. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Yeah, see Clara knows that we are super nerds for CNC machining. You got your super nerd too. You're an animal super nerd. I'm gonna convert her to be a CNC nerd as well.
No.
No? Okay, well, if you ever want to come to the shop and have some fun, you know where we're at.
Of course.
That was cool. We could have taken this down to 0, or even just 1 thou above the fixture, cut this thing all the way off, but we gotta go.
Yeah, we gotta go.
We dropped off Mummy and Leif at Costco, so we can come play at the shop.
Yeah.
So, let's go get them. Thanks for watching, guys. That was fun. That was a lot of fun.
Bye, guys.